Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you some basic keyboard shortcuts if you use the command line based text editor VI. To open a file with VI you need to type the keyword VI and then the file name. If this file exists it will open it. If not, it will create a new one. How I know that? With the keyword new between the square brackets. There are two modes, the command mode and the insert mode. The insert mode allows you to type some text inside the file. And to switch to that mode, you need the input commands. The first one is the I. Now I can write, for example, hello. To switch back to the command mode, press escape. How to leave this file? You have two possibilities. Either you want to save and quit, or you want to quit without saving. Column WQ for write and quit, or Q and exclamation mark quit without saving. And this is what I will do now. Enter. I don't have any files there. I want to create now again a new one. And press the I for insert mode and type, for example, some text. Escape to the command mode. Let's say you want to insert some text before the letter O. You will press the I and then type your text. Escape to the command mode. Now I want to undo the last change. You can do it with U. If you want to type text after the cursor, in my case after the letter O, you need to press A and then type your text. Again, I want to undo the last change with U. In VI, you can type text only in used lines. Everywhere you see the tilde, that means this is unused line and you cannot type text there. And that's why you need to open a new line. Here you have two possibilities. Either you open a line above the cursor line with Shift and O, or you can open a line below the cursor line with O. Now, let me show you how to move inside the text. H for one letter back, L for one letter forward, K for up one line, J for down one line, and as I said, I cannot move to unused line. If you want to jump one word back with B and jump one word forward with W. To copy the entire line Y, you can paste it either below with P or above with Shift P. You can paste it, for example, here again, because I want to show you something else. Now let's say you want to delete one line. You can do it with double D. How to delete more than one line? You press, for example, 4 and double D. And as you see, all the 4 lines from cursor are deleted. Delete one word, D, W. Delete one character, X. Or maybe you are here in the middle of the line and you want to delete from cursor to the end of the line. Shift D. Or maybe you are in the middle of this line and you want to jump to the end, $, or jump to the beginning with 0. You can jump also to the beginning, as I said, but also to the first letter of the line with circumflex. The last shortcut, let's say you made some change here, made some change there, and now you want to undo all the changes in this line. Shift U, column, right and quit to save the changes. Now, as you see, I have there one file. I can open it again. And as you see, you don't see the keyword new anymore. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye.